if you haven't guessed by now by the little part intro, I'm finally putting together a roof rack that I bought like over a month ago. Today I'm putting this on. I'm meeting up with my friend Tyler, downtown Pittsburgh, and we might hit the Ethic store, hit some street spots. Look at this bike rack. I had no idea what I was doing. Even the instructions was terrible. It didn't make sense. I have a tutorial on how to put this bike rack together fast and efficient in the right way so my bike will come off the roof. So frustrated. I cannot get the parts. I don't have the right tools. So we're going to skip that. Get the string and look all the little intricate parts that I got left on here. Oh my God, I'm not doing it. So we're going to head downtown Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. We're like on the daily. I have trouble around Pittsburgh. I live here. It's always bullshit. You can see that my bike rack I didn't put on. Yeah. There were so many parts to that damn thing. I didn't even feel like even putting it on. What? You don't have your bike lock. What do you mean your bike lock?
I have a bike lock in case we get food or something off the bike.
What kind of camera? 7D?
Yeah.
Nice, I like it.
Love it myself.
Seen a fellow photographer, filmer. He got the 7D. I love that camera too. A lot of money though. I won't fork over for money for a 7D. My T3i is just fine. Oh, it's so windy. Propelling right now towards the city. I cannot keep nutting my speed. Every time I stop pedaling, wind's pushing me back. Look at this shit. How big is this setup? It's monstrous.
I don't know how you're riding with it.
It's not heavy. It's just like you can't hide it really.
Everyone is alright. Anthony's coming to Imperial.
Tyler tried to hit up everyone else to come out. Guess everyone's being fuckboys. And Anthony's going to Imperial, which I personally hate Imperial skate park. I don't like it. I never did. I don't like the sound of it. I don't like the bowls or nothing, but everyone seems to go there in the summertime. It's like the hangout skate park. The only time I go there is if everyone's there and it's just cool vibes, but as far as progressing and riding, I hate that part. Trying to find the Ethic store. Did we pass it?
Yeah. I didn't see it.
No, we're trying to find an Ethic store and we don't know where. We were just at the grand opening. We know it's right there. Where's that store at?
You know what? It's 5 blocks down.
Down where we're at?
Yep, it's down there.
It was that far?
Yeah, it's pretty far. Because we met Tim 3 blocks down from here. Because this is where the Uber dropped us off the other night.
So I'm guessing Ethic store is further down than we
can hit it on the way back.
anticipated. But yeah, we'll hit it on the way back. I want to cop some stuff from there, so we'll do some filming. Say, you hungry?
Yeah.
Did you eat today?
What?
Did you eat today? You didn't eat at all day? I ate 3 times today already. 3. What? Oh, is someone in the car?
No.
Oh my God! Dude, there was no one in that car the whole time. It's in the crosswalk in the middle of the street. Oh, Pittsburgh. Oh my God. I didn't even notice that. Alright, pedal into the city. It is really weird to have this big camera in public. You ever seen a T3i? It's really massive, bulky, especially with the LCD screen flipped out. Tyler's hungry. Tyler needs coffee and wants to head to the city.
What a burrito.
Man, I'm focusing. So this is a police station. Like, this is an active police station. Cops come in and out of here, lawyers, DAs, whatever, they come through and out here. And this is a spot where it's like super hot, but they never say anything. They never did to me. Last time we had the Pittsburgh jam last year, and it was like 50 of us here, they didn't say anything. So, try to get a shot of this. Hopefully I get it first try and be out. That was fun. Got the shot, didn't fall. Got the GoPro shot. Now we're gonna head more deeper into the city. We're gonna get food. I already ate. I'm kind of hungry. I'm actually always hungry, but find something to do in the city. Spot 1 found. We did it. Oh my God. That was... Oh my... Counting it. There's mad traffic right now at the intersection, so...
Market Square?
Yeah, what? Yeah. We can go straight, or we can go this way, go down, but... No brakes. Really? You got that attention, huh? What? So you got that attention. Yo! What up?
You guys getting some clips down here or what?
Vlogging.
Hell yeah.
Something to vlog.
What up, man?
Chilling.
What's up? How you guys doing?
Good.
Thanks.
Where you guys heading to?
No, my friend. I don't know.
Nice. We're
Just
heading back to
randomly
this
riding?
spot.
Yeah.
That's what we're doing.
Alright.
There has to be another one.
We just ate.
Moe's.
You guys just ate too. Yeah, I'm not that hungry either.
We ate at Wendy's.
Wendy's?
You didn't eat at Wendy's, you retard.
What was
No,
it?
Burger King. Burger King.
Oh, I thought
That's
no other Moe's.
totally different, yeah.
Burger King
What
is
else is
ass.
good down here?
It is. Out there. What?
What else is good down here?
You got Permanis, but that's like,
I don't want to wait.
that's like, yeah, wait, and it's super heavy food, so when you eat that, you're like,
Chipotle's probably like the only
the only
down
place. Oh, yeah, they skate stopped that rail though. That was a fun rail. Easy too. Let's see something. What you got? You got something.
Ass full of shit right
Yep. Unclip the keys.
I'm not one of those guys. It's out of circumstance. I don't like clipping my keys on my belt. That's
Two. You two, let's see something on this. You. Look at that thing. Styling, profiling. Stuck. Stuck. Died by a man bag.
what?
You want to film?
Sure. Film it.
All right.
You did it goddamn better than me, fool. Yeah. Shoot that Boston.
That was the best bar I did, I don't know how long. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh man. You ran away from that stuff.
Woo! I mean, you have to power pedal off the first. You couldn't gap it.
No, you just gap
Yeah,
and then gap. Like gap and drop.
it's possible.
Yes?
It's windy though.
Go look, someone put their pegs here. What the fuck?
He wants to do this really bad. This gap to into the grass bank. It's kind of gnarly though. I'm not gonna lie. Are you gonna do it?
I might try it.
How you do it? No. And if we're BMX, either this is a do or die. You're not just gonna try it. You have to land it.
Alright. There's my phone.
You gonna drop it? This sounds like a tablet. Oh my god, he's actually doing it.
Yo, bro, you got that.
You got the
You
hard
got that.
Listen.
You got it. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my god! Are you fucking kidding me?
Heck yeah.
Dude, not at all. How dope,
I did it.
dude!
Oh my god.
I'm hella stoked for Tyler. So Tyler's going to the skate park. I'm gonna go to my car, but our car's in the same parking spot. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. We had a great time today. Today's pretty much the official day of summer. It was a little bit windy for my taste. It was probably like 25 miles per hour wind, but it was 71 and it was sunny and it was dry. So all in all, it was good. Met up with some dudes over here. Shout out to them. Shout out to Tyler doing that amazing gap. But yeah, to the GoPro.
I seen that one kid, he was like, I'm gonna try, and I was like, I have to just do it.
I can't believe you did that shit, dude. I'm like, what?
couldn't do that.
I'm like, what? Yeah, damn. What you say? Alright, so our plan was to go to the ethik store and, you know, cop some gear, but we just drove past it because earlier we missed it, and we went back again on the way back home back to our cars. They're closed. They close at 8, so now we know what time they're closed. All right, man. Drop safe. See you later.
Are you coming?
What, to the skate park?
Yeah.
What time is it now? 8, 9, 10? Nope, I'm not coming.
Yeah.
Have fun.
I will.
All right, man.
All right. See you, sister.
Yep.